Climb inside the 2015 Mercedes-Benz M-Class. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Mercedes-Benz prioritized comfort and style by including a built-in garage door transmitter, a blind spot monitoring system, automatic dimming door mirrors, a power liftgate, lane departure warning, and seat memory. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Mercedes-Benz also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Call now to schedule a test drive.